Another day, another adventure. Well, this time I'm actually heading home, or sort of. I'm in Moab actually. I don't have much time to play around in Moab, unfortunately. So I think I'm gonna head to Southlet, the South Lake, Great Salt Lake. Another morning, another beautiful day. Bonneville Southlet. Really cool. Absolutely cool. Oh yeah, I would love to find a place where I can rinse my bike now because it's heavily covered in salt. This is such a weird town. Oh my god, my brakes squeak so hard because of the salt. Well, I'm getting close to the car wash. Can I call you back after the car wash?
Of course.
Okay,
Bye.
call you in a few minutes. Yes,
Your destination is on the right.
I have found a car wash. Let's do this. Look at all this salt. Look at this. Oof. Okay, I love these credit card thingies. So much salt. What have I done? Should probably take this thing apart now. So I've been riding for over 200 miles. Oh, wow. Sorry, I've been riding for over 400 miles already. I would like to get to Alvord Desert for camping tonight, but it's roughly 5 hours away. I'll see. I really would like to be there tonight. It's one of my favorite places in Oregon. Sun setting really quickly. Wow, it got really cold. I gotta put something on. Woo. It's actually nice to stop. I've been riding for a long time. I'm almost there. Maybe 1 more hour. I wanna say less. Whew. This is a marathon for sure. Okay, see you there. Wow. And what have I gotten myself into? Okay, let's just focus on getting on a playa. Wow, I can't believe I'm finally here. It was a pretty sketch drive over here. Okay, I did it. I made it to Alvord Desert. I am stoked. I'm gonna set up my camp. Well, today for dinner we're having chana masala provided by REI. No, I bought it there. So not provided by REI. It's probably around 10 o'clock, maybe 11. I'm just gonna eat this and call it a night. Well, good morning. Let's see what this place looks like in the morning. Just wow. Yeah, I got here at night, so I decided to stay close to the shore. Wow. What a great morning. I'm gonna make some coffee right now. This is amazing. It's about 44 degrees. I slept fantastic. Time for some coffee. coffee, nectar of the gods. This is why I like adventure riding. I can get here at night and camp out in a place like this. It's so peaceful. Okay, so this will be my last video for this series. This is the last of the gravel road. Afterwards, I'll be just riding through some beautiful, twisty Oregon routes. It's my dog's birthday. I don't want to miss it. This is a pretty high, loose gravel situation here. My bike's dancing underneath me like crazy, weaving in and out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, get notifications, whatever, or not. And until next series, ciao!